3.3.2, perform long division 100 to 1,000, divided by 1 to 20, and 2 by 2 or 2 by 3 digit multiplication. Simplify each of the following. Please show all work and circle final answers. So this first question is a multiplication question. It's a 2-digit times 3-digit number. And we will start with the ones place. 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So the 2 goes in the ones spot, in the ones place value. And then the 3 goes into the tens place value. And now we're going to multiply the ones by the tens. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Okay, so that's a 9 in the tens place. And then a 1, right, goes into that hundreds place because it's 100. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Okay, so now we've done the ones place for the 4. We've multiplied the ones place. Now we need to multiply not by 2, but by 20, right? So zeros to all of that would put a 0 into the ones place because this 2 is actually a 20, right? So 2 times 8, let me actually erase here right for a second. Erase, boom. Okay, so now 2 times 8, that would be a 6 in the tens place and a 1 here. The 2 times the 4 is the 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in the hundreds place, and then 2 times 1 is 2. So 2, and then we can just simply add the ones place multiplication and the tens place multiplication. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 15, so 5 and then carry the 1. 5 plus 9 plus 1 is 15 again. Carry the 1. And that's a 3,552 is your answer. And does that make sense? Well, 150 times 20 should be about 3,000, right? So a little bit more than that. So a little bit more than 20 and slightly less than 150 will give us slightly more than 3,000. So that makes sense. Now we'll turn our attention to 516 divided by 6. So 516 divided by 6. So first in this long division, we'll use the color red here. 6 doesn't go into 5, right? We'll start from the left-hand side, so we'll put a 0 here. So 0. So we know that it's going to be just a 2-digit answer. So 6, all right. And then 6 times 0, that would be 0, right? 5 minus 0 is 5. We bring down the 1. 51. How many times does 6 go into 51? That would be 8, because 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 9 would be 54, and that would be too large. Okay, so 6 times 8 is 48. And we have a 3 difference here. Bring down our 6. And that actually turns out pretty nice. So how many times does 6 go into 36? That would be 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. 0. And we're left with a very nice answer, 86.